I recently purchased the Louis Vuitton loop bag, so I wanted to show you guys what I keep in my bag. I also love watching these videos, so let's get into it. I always like to keep a clip on the handle of my bag because you never know when you're gonna need one. Next up are some sunglasses. These ones are my all-time favorite sunglasses. They're from Vela Eyewear. I think these are the only sunglasses that I actually wear. Then I always like to keep some Purell on me just to disinfect my hands. I've been using this card holder for literally 4 years and I really need a new one, but this one just does the job. I also found it at a Coach outlet for like $10. Next up is this Pure Ink Stained Rollerball perfume, and I just got this on Amazon and I like to use it to touch up throughout the day. I like to keep this cute little pink compact mirror in my purse, and it also has like an LED light, which is really cool. Then I have this mini Tylenol case, which I like to keep on me in case I need it. My hands get super dry sometimes, so I like to carry a hand cream, and this one is from Grown Alchemist, I think, and it smells really good. And then we have my current favorite lip products. This one is the Summer Fridays lip balm in pink sugar, and it's actually my favorite lip balm of all time. And then I have the Nuxe honey lip oil, and this one's a great dupe for the Gizu. In the front pocket, I like to keep some cash if I have any on me, and then I like to always keep an elastic with me, and that's pretty much it.